Good morning, children. So we were studying about chemical reactions. So what is a chemical reaction? Already we have discussed, in which a new substance is being observed. Okay, whenever a new substance is being formed, we say that a chemical reaction has taken place. So whenever a chemical reaction is taking place, there are some characteristics. First, we have discussed, that is evolution or absorption of heat. On the basis of the energy changes, these reactions are being divided into exothermic and endothermic. So on the basis of energy changes, reactions are being divided into exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic क्या थी, जिनमें energy release हो रही है. Okay, when energy is being released, we call it as exothermic, and when energy is being absorbed, we call it as endothermic reaction. So reactions are of two types on the basis of energy changes, exothermic and endothermic. So when ammonium chloride, okay, ammonium chloride is being dissolved in water, endothermic reaction takes place. Ammonium chloride is being dissolved, endothermic reaction takes place. It means temperature of the system will decrease. Okay. Next characteristic is formation of precipitates. Precipitates हमने डिस्कस किया था, क्या है, insoluble substance being formed in a solution. Solution के अंदर जो insoluble substance बनता है उसे क्या बोल रहे हैं हम, precipitates. So when we are taking aqueous solution of barium chloride and aqueous solution of sodium sulfate, white PPTs of barium sulfate are being formed. Okay, PPTs of barium sulfate are being formed, and what is the color of these PPTs? White. White PPTs of barium sulfate, and they are being represented by a downward arrow. Okay, white PPTs of barium sulfate are being formed. Similarly, when we are mixing, children, they always remember one thing. Whenever we are showing formation of precipitates, we always take reactants in their aqueous form. Okay, we always take reactants in their aqueous form. So when silver nitrate and aqueous solution of HCl are being mixed, then also white color PPTs are being formed. These white PPTs are of AgCl. अगर हमें white PPTs दिख गए हैं, we'll say that reaction has taken place. So if we'll observe the white PPTs, we'll say that reaction has taken place. Third characteristic is evolution of gas. When zinc is being added to HCl, zinc chloride is being formed and a gas is being evolved which burns with a pop sound. And gas is being evolved which burns with a pop sound. Okay, so here hydrogen gas is being evolved and it is being represented by an upward arrow. Gas is being evolved which burns with a pop sound. So metal, when any metal is being dissolved into acid, कोई भी हम metal जब acid में डालते हैं हम aqueous solution का, then hydrogen gas is being evolved. Okay, hydrogen gas is being evolved when metal is being put into an acid solution. Another example is reaction between sodium sulfide and sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfide and sulfuric acid, H2S gas is being formed and Na2SO4. Gas को कैसे show करना है? With an upward arrow. So when sodium sulfide and H2SO4 is being mixed together, H2S gas is being released. So how we'll observe this gas? कैसे notice करेंगे इसको? It has rotten egg-like smell. So H2S gas has rotten egg-like smell. So it is being identified by its smell. Next characteristic is change of color. Whenever some reaction is being taking place, if color change takes place, we say that reaction is being completed. One of the example, change of color. Copper sulfate plus iron. Copper sulfate is blue in color when iris is being put into copper sulfate, after some time FeSO4 is being formed and copper. This FeSO4, it is green in color. So color changes from blue to green. As the color change is taking place, we say that a reaction has taken place. Similarly, when red lead oxide is Pb3O4. Always remember name of this compound. It is red lead oxide. Red lead oxide is red in color. Color of red lead oxide is red. When red lead oxide is heated, it forms lead oxide and oxygen gas. It forms lead oxide and oxygen gas. This lead oxide is yellow in color. So change in color is taking place from red to yellow. Color changes from red to yellow. We say that a reaction has taken place. And the last point of this is change of state. During a chemical reaction, change of state can also take place. Magnesium plus oxygen. Magnesium is solid, oxygen is in the gaseous form. It reacts to form magnesium oxide, which is solid. So change of state, oxygen in the gaseous form is being converted to magnesium oxide, which is in the solid form. So when we are talking about chemical reaction, for a chemical reaction to occur, a new substance is being formed. It is always new substance is being formed. And to start a chemical reaction, we need some reactants. Without reactants, reaction cannot take place. So what are the main characteristics of chemical reaction? What happens during a chemical reaction? Change in energy, formation of precipitates, change in energy, formation of precipitates, then change of color, change of state. Okay, so these are the characteristics and evolution of gas. So during a chemical reaction, these changes may take place and a new substance is always being formed.